Hey there, and welcome. Have you ever felt like the world of data and AI and all that stuff is just happening without you? Like you're looking through a window at this incredible party but don't have the invitation? Well, if that's you, you're in the right place. Today, we're going to look at a resource that might just be the key you've been searching for.
So, does this question hit home? You hear all the buzzwords, right? Machine learning, artificial intelligence, data science. You see the amazing things being built, and a part of you is super excited, but another part is just overwhelmed. Like, where on earth do you even begin? It can be pretty intimidating for sure.
Well, what if there was a place designed specifically for that feeling? A place that assumes you know nothing and is ready to guide you step by step from scratch. Let me introduce you to a YouTube channel that's trying to do just that. It's called Data World.
Okay, so what is Data World exactly? At its core, it's a YouTube channel built on a really simple but powerful idea: to make all this complicated stuff, data science, machine learning, AI, approachable for absolutely anyone. I mean, it doesn't matter if you've never coded in your life or if you're already in the field and just want to level up. The whole point is to meet you right where you're at.
All right, so that sounds good in theory, but what about the specifics? What are you actually going to learn? Let's pull back the curtain and take a peek at the curriculum.
And wow, look at this list. It's not just a bunch of dry theory. You start with the fundamentals, of course. Then you dive right into Python, which is the language of data science. You get into machine learning algorithms, but, and this is key, they're explained simply. Then you get to apply all that knowledge with real-world projects and case studies. Plus, they even cover the latest AI tools and trends, and, maybe most importantly, help you with career tips and getting ready for interviews. It's kind of the whole journey, from A to Z.
Now, a great list of topics is awesome, but let's be real. The teacher makes all the difference, right? So, who's the person actually steering the ship here? Let's talk about the creator behind the tutorials. And this quote from the creator, Kiran Sindam, says it all. "I'm passionate about making data science accessible to everyone. You know, that's not just about teaching code, that's a mission. It's about breaking down barriers and opening doors for people no matter where they're starting from. That's a powerful idea." And here's the best part. This isn't stuff he just read in a book. He's sharing practical, hands-on knowledge from his own journey in data science. Think about that. You're getting lessons that have been tried and tested in the real world. You're essentially learning from someone who's walked the path you're about to start on. That's huge. Okay, so we know what you'll learn and who you'll learn from. But what does it feel like to be a subscriber? What's the rhythm? Let's talk about the weekly experience. It's actually super straightforward and reliable. First off, you get new videos every single Saturday. That consistency is awesome for building a habit. Second, the tutorials are always hands-on and designed for beginners. And third, the focus is always practical. It's about getting you ready for a career, right down to preparing for interviews. Simple, consistent, and effective.
So if all this is sounding pretty good to you, maybe like the thing you've been looking for, the next logical step is to get plugged in. Let's look at how you can do that and join the community.
All right, here's the breakdown. The big one, of course, is subscribing to Data World on YouTube. But it doesn't stop there. You can connect with Kiran on LinkedIn, you can check out his code and projects on GitHub, and you can even reach out via email. It's really an open door to engage and become part of what he's building. But look, if you only do one thing, make it this: subscribe and definitely hit that little notification bell. Why? Because that's how you make sure you don't miss those Saturday lessons. It's the best way to stay on track and keep the momentum going on your journey. Which, brings us right back to you. We've walked through what this resource is, we've seen the curriculum, we've met the guide, so really there's only one thing left to ask. Could this be the first step for you? Is this where your data journey begins?